Hello, Calvin Jones here, Park Tool Company with Tech Tuesday. In this video today, we're going to look at the procedures for sizing a new chain to a derailleur bike. There are two basic procedures, the easy way and the hard way. It's generally accepted that we route a chain from the largest rear sprocket to the largest front sprocket. From as short as possible, we want to add 1 inch of chain, which is 2 rivets. So let's look at the hard way first. First, we move the derailleur all the way to the largest sprocket in the back. Move the front derailleur to the largest sprocket in the front. Now we will take the chain and route it through the rear derailleur. We come over the lower pulley in a straight line to the upper pulley. We come behind the cogs. In our case, we want the largest cog. We feed the chain through. We feed the chain onto the front sprocket. And now we are ready to pull the chain and size the length. We pull it as tight as possible. I engage that chain ring, but I cannot join the chain here. This outer plate cannot be joined to that outer plate. Although we think it's as short as possible, not really. We have to back up a rivet worth, so we get this outer to an inner. From here, we count over 1 rivet and 2 rivets. I'm going to mark that just to make it easy to remember. I will now reach for my chain tool and there has to be a better way. And there is. Begin by getting the derailleurs out of our way. The rear derailleur. Put it down to the smallest cog. Now, let's take our chain. We're going to route our chain over the largest cog. We're going to bypass and skip those pulleys altogether. We're going to come to the front ring. Make sure I am engaged on the back. I am engaged on the front. Where would we join this? Similar situation here. I can't cut it here. I would have an outer plate connecting to an outer plate. I have to back up a rivet. This is where I could join an outer plate to an inner plate. From this point here, we count over 1, 2. There's that same black mark that we saw before. That is the same results as before. But this way, we're not fighting any tension. The chain is not flipping around. It is much easier. We can now take this to the workbench, make our cut, and we're ready to install. Thank you.